Okay guys, good morning. This video you will use it for three different pages. Page 36, page 39 and page 40. So you will have to pay a lot of attention, okay? Just to recall and to refresh your minds about things you already know. We're checking multiplication table of the number 3. That means that we are having groups with three objects in each one of them, okay? Last time we said that, for example, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 groups of 3 that in total, if we add them, it's 3 plus 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and 24. Right now, talking about page 36, we're going to start using something called dot cards. I think we already did a video about that. Now we're going to do it talking about the multiplication table of 3. So let's start right away. The left column, the red numbers, are going to represent your number of groups. In this case, I have 8 groups of 3. Okay, the total of it is going to be 24. That means that if I start counting the numbers or adding 3 by 3 equals 24. Let's do it super fast. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, of course, 3 plus 3, 6, plus 3, 9, we did it here, plus 3, 12, plus 3, 15, plus 3, 18, plus 3, 21, and plus 3, finally, 24. Okay, so this is the way we represent it with the multiplication. This is the way we use it with dot cards. Yes, the number on the left is going to be my first number, or the number of groups, and the second number is going to be the number of columns, or the numbers that I have in each one of the rows, equals 24, okay? This is what you're going to use for page 36. We're gonna go for page 39. At the beginning of the page, you have to answer all of the multiplication table, something like this. 3 times 1 equals 3, 3 times 2 equals 6, 3 times 3 equals, and I'm not gonna finish it because if I do, you won't answer and you have to do it, okay? So that's pretty much the first part of the page 39. At the bottom of the page 39, you have an exercise like this, multiply. Actually, I am going to add something else in here because if not, I will be giving you the answer. I need you to observe that this is just another form to show groups and that each one of those groups have 3, right? So I can actually help you out to visualize it, okay? So that means that I have 3 objects in each one of my groups. This is my group number 1. This is my group number 2. I'm sorry, my numbers are ugly today. Number 2, this is my group number 3. This is my group number 4. And this is my group number 5. If I need to show this as a multiplication sentence, I know that I have already 5 times 5 groups, the number 3, right? So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, or you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 5 times 3 equals 15, okay? This is for page 39. Let's go to page 40. We're gonna go back to working with dot cards again, and it says write a multiplication sentence. That is instruction they are giving you. If we remember, or if we recall, we know that the number on the left is going to be the number of groups that I have, and the number on the top is going to be the number of objects that I have one by one. So in this case, the right way to write this sentence, it would be 5 times 3 equals 15. I have it here as well. Now, what is another way to show this? We can use something that is called a fact family. Some of you are going to remember about the fact family, right? We said that a fact family are going to be the members of a family. We can switch the numbers, but they are going to remain together, right? So in here, I'm going to have the same multiplication sentence. I'm going to use the fact family numbers. And I'm going to have 3 groups of 5 in this case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my group number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my group number 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my group number 3. 3 times 5 equals 15. So my result is the same. The numbers just switch places. Okay? Another exercise that you have on the page number 4 is something like this. They are asking you to get a result or to multiply using multiplication sentence you already have. In this case, they are asking me to use 5 times, I'm going to erase this so it doesn't distract you. 5 times 3 as a reference. If that is the case, I'm going to start in here. That's why I make it smaller. They are asking you to add 1 more. That means that I need to have 1 more group. And if I have 1 more group, that means that I need to add 3 more in here. Okay? I'm going to make my line. I'm going to separate so you can identify that this is the 5. And now we have 6. If I need to rewrite that multiplication sentence, I know again that my number group is the number 6 times, and I know that the number, it is the same, it's the number 3. Instead of you going to count all of the numbers again, it is easier if you keep in your mind that 5 times 3 equals 15. You just add 3, and what is the answer? 15, 16, 17, 18. In that way, you know that 6 times 3 equals 18. And you don't have to be counting all over again. You take the first exercise or your previous exercise as a reference, okay? These are the explanations, guys, remember, for page 36, 39, and 40. It looks or it sounds like a lot, but it is not. You know that the pages have a lot of pictures and a lot of examples, and the exercises you're gonna do are like 10 or 15 tops, okay? And besides, you have time. Do it, be smart, and enjoy your day. If you have questions, go and ask your teachers. See you.